Hey guys, and we have some new information on the exact launch date of the OnePlus Z aka OnePlus Nord, and we also have the price details of the new OnePlus TV. So we got to know that the OnePlus Z could start from 24,999 INR, which makes it $330 US. We also got some information on the specifications via this survey, and now a huge confirmation coming in from Android Central. The OnePlus Z is launching in India on 10th July. Yes, it's coming to India as of now, and OnePlus officially said will make the mid-range devices available in the North America, Europe, China and India. And looks like India is getting it first on 10th next month. And now some shocking news by Max J on the naming. OnePlus may call the OnePlus Z OnePlus Nord. Yeah, this sounds little non-OnePlus-ish, so I'm gonna call it the OnePlus Z no matter what. Those interested in OnePlus TV, OnePlus is announcing two TVs on 2nd July. One is coming as low as 15,000 INR, which is like $210 US, really cheap. And they're also launching a mid-range TV which may start at around 20 to 40,000 INR, which is like really cheap. The budget one has 32-inch display size and the second has 43 inches display size. So this one is coming on 2nd July. We also have confirmation on OnePlus launching the TWS earbuds aka AirPods clone in July. They are likely announcing it with the OnePlus Z. Yes, we may see the official teasers on the OnePlus Z in a few days, so get ready. Some news on OnePlus Oxygen OS new features. You now can hide games in the OnePlus launcher using hidden space. This was not possible before, but now with the new update of OnePlus Game Space, users can hide games. OnePlus is also planning to add movements, which is gonna help you capturing in-game screenshots and videos of specific instant. This is for sure gonna help gamers who play games like PUBG, Fortnite to create montage. And I've seen many players and gamers using OnePlus device for mobile gaming. So yeah, this is great for them. That's all guys, this is the latest news on OnePlus. Thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.